Hello, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through how you can use the refactor command to update a variable name that's associated with an outlet in your storyboard. So let's go ahead, and first I'm just going to run this app. Basically, the user would enter a name, press for greeting, and then it would show up in a label. The greeting would show up. So let me just go ahead and run this really quick, and we'll wait for the simulator to come up. And it has come up, so I will just go ahead, enter a name here, and press for greeting, and basically my greeting shows up in my label. So after we've taken a look at the code in the view controller, we've noticed that we've actually misspelled my label. So what I want to do is I want to change the spelling of that so it is correct. First thing you think, you may just have to go in and just update it to my label, and then update the syntax error below where it's being used, but that's not the correct way to do this. So let me go ahead and rename it back to the old name. And the correct way you can do this is you can go ahead and select the variable name, right click on it, select refactor, and rename. And basically what this will do is this will bring up every occurrence of my label in the code and in the storyboard. So all I have to do is I just go up on top, change that to my label, and click on rename. And if I go back into my storyboard now and actually select my label and look at the outlet associated with it, that name has been updated. So let me just go ahead and run the app to show you that this actually works. And we will wait for the simulator to come up, and it has come up. So I will go ahead, enter a name, press for greeting, and the new greeting appears. So that's the way, if you misspell a variable name that's associated with an outlet, or if you misspell a function name, you can do the same thing with the function too. So if I wanted to rename this function that's associated with my button, I could do the same thing. I could click on refactor, rename, and then it'll bring up the connection on my main storyboard with that name of that action. So if I wanted to, I could just go ahead and rename it, and it would actually update my action 2 associated with that button. So if you ever need to rename either a variable associated with an outlet or a function associated with an action, use the refactor command. So that's all I had for this video, so we will talk to you later.